My name is Esther Teuber. I'm a lawyer, part of the German legal team of ABN AMRO Bank N.V., which is a Dutch bank. So ABN AMRO is located in the Netherlands. But I'm currently mainly working for the Department Strategy and Innovation, which is the innovation hub of the bank. And I'm part of the digital assets team of strategy and innovation. And what we currently do is mainly working on innovative digital financial products for our clients. Well, that's definitely a great opportunity to actually meet in real life with people from all over the world and to align on topics related to DLT. And for me as a lawyer, of course, it's also mainly on legal aspects. And what I learned from all the sessions today and from all the meetings, panel discussion, that people really have the same topics that they are discussing. There's the same issues, especially with regard to a fragmented regulatory system within the European Union. And that's really interesting, and it's actually a great opportunity to meet people in real life, to discuss topics that are relevant for all of us, and definitely relevant for the blockchain system in general. I think this is really a great opportunity for market developments. And especially if you look from a banking point of view or financial point of view, I think this will definitely be a big opportunity for new business models, and I think the market will grow within the next couple of years, and that's so I think it's a great opportunity for the financial industry. Well, actually, I think a robust regulatory framework is key for the market development in general. And what I see is, well, it has also been realized by the European Union. And that's why the European Union came up with 2 new regulations recently. So one is the Market in Crypto Asset Regulation, the MiCA regulation, which will apply as of 2024. And on the other hand, we have the DLT pilot regime, which will already apply as of March this year. And I'm pretty sure that this will definitely pave the way for new market infrastructure and for new business models with regard to DLT. As I just said, I'm part of the digital assets team of strategy and innovation, which is the innovation hub of the bank. And we are quite proud that we currently recently announced that we issued a tokenized bond on a public blockchain. So it was on the Stellar protocol for MidCorp. And that was actually the first tokenized bond in the Netherlands on a public blockchain. So we are quite proud that we were able to come up with this fully digital tokenized bond. So the whole setup of this tokenized bond was on chain. So it was a completely native digital bond. And we are really proud that we are one of the first in the Netherlands. I guess so. I guess that especially tokenizing securities comes with significant cost reductions. And I think that brings liquidity to the market as well. So yes, I assume that will be an enabler also for a broader variety of the society. Yeah.